Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 3400 plus mega bundle of photo overlay. These files for Adobe Photoshop, and first you need subscription for access of my old file. Go to sherryskpwt.com. Here 3 membership plan, 30 days, 90 days and lifetime membership. Okay, you see here I wanna show you size of this file. All files are high definition. Here 15.5 gigabyte, but don't worry, I will compressed. And here 3403 JPG files, and here some preview. I know you know how to customize or how to use in Photoshop. Okay, here broken glass Photoshop overlay. Amazing. All files are here. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.